Good afternoon, Standard 9 students. Today in video I am going to solve some more questions, but be careful here in simplification. First of all, you have to learn all the value. If you don't want to learn, then solve the maximum question. The value will sit in your mind. Need not to learn that question. And simplification. If denominator is coming irrational number, so whenever in mathematics any chapter, if denominator is coming irrational number, we have to rationalize the denominator, what you have studied in the chapter first. So today the first question, tan 60 degree plus 1 by tan 60 degree minus 1 their square 1 plus cos 30 degree by 1 minus cos 30 degree. This type of question. So whenever equal sign is given, what you have to show? You have to show that left hand side and right hand side both have the same value. And for this, we have to put the value and we have to simplify. So first of all, I am taking LHS. After putting the value, I am going to simplify. And we'll see what value is coming after simplification. So LHS tan 60 root 3 plus 1, tan 60 root 3 minus 1 and their square. Now see here, the denominator is irrational number. So what is the next step? We will rationalize the denominator. So how to rationalize? Root 3 plus 1, 8. By taking the opposite sign of the denominator, we will rationalize it. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 their square, this square. 8. Now, when we rationalize this question by root 3 plus 1, multiplying the numerator by root 3 plus 1 and denominator also root 3 plus 1. Now we will simplify. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. It means it is a plus b into a plus b. What is the result? A plus b whole square. So here it is also a root 3 plus 1 square. And this is a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b, what is the result? A squared minus b squared. So this becomes root 3 squared minus 1 squared. And their square, these two. 8. So this one, root 3. Now this is a plus b whole square. So I will expand it on a plus b whole square. So what is the result of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So this becomes root 3 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1 plus 1 by root 3 square means 3 minus 1 and their square. 8. So it becomes root 3 square means 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2 their square, this square, equal to implies that 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2 square. We cannot cancel here because plus and minus sign is there. If we cannot cancel, then what you have to do? We have to take the common. So what is common in the numerator? Common is 2. 2 common, then left 2 plus root 3 by 2 their square. These two will be cancelled. 8. After cancelling, what is left? Left LHS 2 plus root 3 square. 8. Now expand it. A plus b whole square. You can expand it also. So 2 square plus 2 into 2 into root 3 plus root 3 square. So it becomes 2 square means 4 plus 2 to the 4 root 3 plus 3. So like term 4 plus 3 become 7 plus 4 root 3. This is our LHS. 8. Now the same way we will take the RHS and after putting the value we will simplify and we'll see whether both side is same or not. So RHS 1 cos 30 root 3 by 2 by 1 minus cos 30 root 3 by 2. Now we have to simplify. So it becomes 2 plus root 3 by 2. It becomes 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. What is left? 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Again, the denominator is irrational number. So what you have to do? We have to rationalize the denominator. So put the bracket first. Multiply with opposite side. So 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. 8. See here, it become a plus b into a plus b, means 2 plus root 3 square, and this is a minus b into a plus b, means a square minus b square. So 2 square minus root 3 square. So this become 2 plus root 3 square. This is 4 minus 3, that is 2 plus root 3 square is left. On expanding on a plus b whole square, what result we will get? 7 plus 4 root 3. See here, this is RHS and this is LHS. So both sides it is same value. After putting the value and after simplification we are getting the same value in the left hand side as well as in RHS side. So it's very fine. So this type of question you have to show both sides have the same value. Now take another question. Cos 2 into 30 degree equal to 1 minus tan square 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Again, in this question also we have to show left hand side and right hand sides are same. So for this, first we will take LHS. So cos 2 into 30 means cos 60, and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So LHS is coming 1 by 2. Now we will take RHS and we will show that it is also equal to 1 by 2. So RHS 1 tan 30 1 by root 3 and their square, so write a square, by 1 plus 1 by root 3 their square. Now 1 minus 1 square means 1, root 3 square means 3, 1 plus 1 by 3, this become 3 minus 1 by 3, 3 plus 1 by 3, these 3 will be cancelled. What is left? 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So see here, LHS is 1 by 2, RHS is also 1 by 2. So it's very tight. 8. Then in first chapter you have studied, I have already given you the formula. That formula you have to use here once again. What? If 7 first sin x is equal to cos x. 8. We have to find the value of x. What is the value of x? And x is acute angle, means less than 90 degrees. So can we write sin x और cos x को यहाँ लिख सकते हैं, cos x equal to, यहाँ क्या बच गया? 1. Now we know that the formula from the first chapter I already given. It is also given in your book also. Sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to tan theta. So here sin x by cos x means it is tan x and 1. अब 1 का वैल्यू tan में कितने डिग्री tan पे tan का वैल्यू 1 होता है वो हम पुट अप करेंगे. तो tan 45 1. So we will write here tan 45 degree. Is it? Now equal sign is there, tan is there, tan is there. Don't cancel tan. Just compare. When we compare, we come to know x is equal to 45 degree, which is an acute angle less than 90 degree value. So this type of question you have to solve. 8. One more question here. If tan x is equal to cot x, then you have to find the value of x. So we can write tan x by cot x is equal to 1. So tan x and cot, we know that cot is the reverse of tan, 1 by tan x. And 1 we can write 1 square or not? Of course, 1 square का value 1 ही होगा. So tan x become tan square x and 1 का value कितने डिग्री पे tan का किस डिग्री पे वैल्यू 1 होता है? tan 45. We will write here tan square 45. Now compare. Equal sign is there. Tan square here. What is the value of x? X is 45 degree. This is our answer. So this way you have to solve this exercise. In next video I will solve some more questions. Before that you have to do the practice. I will give you just now to do the practice. Thank you very much.